How many passwords do you have floating around? A bunch, I'm sure. You might have some on sticky notes around your desk. You might have some in a notebook. You definitely have many, probably just floating around in your head. And have you ever forgotten one right when you needed it most? Maybe you were trying to log into payroll or pay a bill, or you're trying to get into your email just before a meeting. In this video, I'm going to talk about password managers, how they work, the pros and cons, and how using one could save you money, time, and stress. So let's start with the basics. A password manager, think of it as a locked digital filing cabinet. Instead of papers, it will hold your passwords. You only need to remember one password, a really strong password, but that one password is your master key, and the manager takes care of the rest. Now, you might be thinking, hey, I already keep my passwords in a list in a notebook or in a notes app on your phone. Here's the problem with that: a notebook could get lost. Notes on your phone really aren't that secure. And keeping everything in your head, that's a recipe for forgotten logins. A password manager takes all those scattered passwords and stores them in one place, encrypted, which just means it's a scrambled way that others cannot read. And the best part, when you go to log in, your bank, your QuickBooks, your email, the manager can fill it in automatically. No more hunting. Do you have a smooth system for keeping up with your passwords? Or are you a part of the sticky note club? Let me know in the comments. Here's how it works in practice. When you log into a site, let's say your bank, the password manager asks, "Want me to save this?" You say yes, and it locks it up securely. Next time, it recognizes the site and fills in your username and password for you, like having a personal assistant who never forgets. Then, whether you're at your desk, on your laptop, or using your phone while traveling, your logins are there. No more, "I'll have to wait till I get back in the office." And yes, it's safe. Password managers use heavy duty encryption. Even the company providing the service cannot see your passwords. It's just you and the master key. Let's talk benefits because there are a lot. Convenience: no more typing in long, complicated passwords every time. Stronger security: you can create unique, hard to crack passwords for each account instead of reusing the same password for all your accounts. That is just not secure. Time saved: the password manager fills your logins automatically, so you're not wasting minutes trying to remember or track down that sheet of paper or notebook where you wrote down your password. Organized: all your logins are in one central hub. And the bonus: some password managers will even store secure notes, credit cards, or IDs for you. Of course, nothing is perfect. Here are the things that you should consider when looking to use a password manager. If you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and click the subscribe button to keep getting tips and information, especially for business owners who are over 50. There is a little bit of a learning curve. It takes a little time to set it up, especially if you have lots of accounts. Of course, there's the trust factor. After all, you're putting all of your logins in one central place. You want to do your research and use a service that is reputable. Cost: there could be a little bit of a cost. There are free and good password managers out there, but the services or the features that they have will be a little limited. So you might want to pay a little bit more to get some of the more convenient features, like having a family account where everyone can have their own master password. And there is the risk of having that one password to rule them all. If you forget that one password, you are locked out. So it has to be something that you can remember, but something also still strong. Check out my other video on how to create a good password. It can be simpler than you think. If you're thinking about trying a password manager, here's what to look for. Stick with well-known providers with strong reviews. Some popular names are LastPass, 1Password, Dashlane, and Bitwarden. Make sure that it works on your phone, computer, and with your web browsers, like Chrome or Safari. Try it out and feel how easy it is to use for you, because if it's clunky, you're not going to use it. And consider looking at their recovery options. Look for ways to recover or reset in case of an emergency. While paying for a service will get you more bells and whistles, I do recommend using a free trial at first just to see if it feels right for you. So, a quick recap. A password manager is your digital vault. You unlock it with one master key, and it keeps your username and password logins for all your accounts. With encryption, it keeps all your information safe and secure, and the whole thing can save you time and frustration. If you're tired of juggling passwords, try one for a week. You might be amazed at how much smoother your work life can be. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel to keep getting tech-made simple videos. In fact, if you want to see more about password managers, let me know in the comments. Because confidence with tech isn't about keeping up. It's about making it work for you.